My dear friends, I am Dr. Omkar Prasad Vaidya. Today I will be discussing on the role of vitamin C in promotion of our health. Vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid. It is a powerful antioxidant and also have some anti-inflammatory action. It also helps in the cartilage formation. It also helps in bone formation and it also helps in collagen synthesis by helping in conversion of lysine to hydroxylysine, apatite to hydroxyapatite and many other reaction. Thus it helps in maintenance of the strength of the blood vessel as well as strength of bone also. Absence of vitamin C or deficiency of vitamin C leads to a disease known as scurvy. Now, today we will be discussing how vitamin C is very much important in maintaining our normal function, and it also has some role in prevention of various clinical condition or abnormal situation or disease condition of our body. So number one function of vitamin C is that it helps in decreasing the risk of various chronic disease. Now vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant which prevents inflammation and prevents the chronic inflammation that is occurring in our body because of some disease process. Thus it prevents the progression of a chronic disease. Because of its antioxidant property, it can fight against various free radicals and thus it also helps in prevention of the inflammation that is caused by the free radical or the damage that caused by free radicals in our body. It also boosts our immunity system also. It also increase the blood antioxidant level. So because of all these factors, vitamin C helps in prevention of progression of a chronic illness. So a person who is suffering from any chronic illness, if he or she is provided with vitamin C, then gradually the progression of the chronic condition will be prevented, because the chronic inflammation because of the inflammatory mediators in the disease process will be prevented by vitamin C, and thus it helps in handling chronic illness or chronic disease. Next important role of vitamin C is that it helps in management of high blood pressure. So it can relax blood vessel. Some few studies have focused that vitamin C can relax blood vessels and thus it can decrease both systolic as well as diastolic blood pressure. So it helps in management of high blood pressure and can be advised to hypertensive subjects along with our normal medication, or person who are in DASH diets. They can take vitamin C, which helps in lowering the blood pressure. Next important function of vitamin C is that it helps in lowering the risk of heart disease. Vitamin C decreases the level of LDL, also known as low density lipoprotein and also known as bad cholesterol. At the same time, it also decreases the amount of triglyceride in the blood. So overall function of vitamin C is that it can decrease the hyperlipidemia or rise of lipid profile level in the blood, and thus it prevents the atherosclerosis or especially coronary atherosclerosis and prevent future risk of heart disease. So drinking vitamin C can be advised in patients who are suffering from chronic heart disease, and the dose can be at least 500 milligram of vitamin C per day, and it has been found to be protective in various heart disease. Next important function of vitamin C is that it helps in reduction of blood uric acid level and prevents the precipitation of gouty attack or gouty arthritis. Vitamin C decreases the blood uric acid level. At the same time, it also decreases the risk of gout of joints. So it prevents the precipitation of uric acid on the joints, and thus it prevents the gouty attack and or risk of getting gouty arthritis in future. So it's protective for gout and gouty attacks or gouty arthritis. Another important function of vitamin C is that it helps in prevention of iron deficiency anemia. Vitamin C helps in iron absorption in the stomach. It helps in conversion of iron, absorbable iron, to reabsorbable form. So person who is taking iron, it is in one form and when it enters the stomach, because of presence of vitamin C, it helps in reduction of that iron to absorbable form of iron, and thus it increases the absorbable form of iron in the stomach, and thus it increases the iron absorption through the stomach. And by doing that, the iron level in the blood is increased, and it helps in RBC formation and prevents the precipitation of iron deficiency anemia. So those patients suffering from iron deficiency anemia, they can be advised vitamin C, as vitamin C helps in iron absorption or increase iron absorption, and thus it prevents or protects against the risk of getting anemia, especially iron deficiency anemia. Another important function of vitamin C is that it helps in boosting our immune system or immunity. Now it has been found that vitamin C increases the count of WBC, white blood cell, as well as lymphocytes, phagocytes in our system. Lymphocytes are those phagocytic cells which attacks the foreign particle, virus or bacteria, and damage them. So vitamin C, it helps in boosting our immunity by increasing the defense cells of our body or immune cells of our body. Another important mechanism is that vitamin C decreases the free radical induced damage to the immune cell. So all of you know vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, so it prevents the or neutralizes the free radical that is produced in our human body. So it has been postulated that, or it has been found that whatever free radicals produced in the body, they can cause damage to the immune cells. So because of that, some of the immune cells may be destroyed. But if there is vitamin C, it may lead to the prevention of damage by the free radical to the immune cells, and that's why the count of immune cell will be raised, and ultimately vitamin C can boost our immunity. Vitamin C can also improve our wound healing, or it helps in proper healing of the wounds which is present on the skin, and it decreases the wound healing time. Means the wound healing will be faster if the person has vitamin C level normal in his blood. Vitamin C also increases the skin health and skin healing. It has been found that vitamin C also gives protection against pneumonia and common cold and even viral flu also. So these are the various important functions by which vitamin C boosts our immunity. At the same time, it protects against pneumonia and viral diseases. Vitamin C has been found to be protective in case of memory loss. Vitamin C actually is an powerful antioxidant. It prevents the oxidative stress and inflammation in our body. And because of the free radical induced damage to the brain, it is prevented by vitamin C intake. And it prevents the risk of dementia and memory loss in those subjects who are prone to Alzheimer's disease or dementia because of aging, or also known as senile dementia. So vitamin C protects the brain from the free radical induced damage and decrease the chance of memory loss and protects the memory, and so it can prevent the risk of dementia in those subjects who are likely to get age related or senile dementia. And there are various diseases which may be decreased or found to be helpful because of vitamin C. So vitamin C can help in progression of very diseases, but there are not much study which can support that. So number one is that it helps in common cold. So some researchers have found that vitamin C intake prevents common cold. At the same time, vitamin C found to be very much beneficial for cancer patients. It decreases the risk of cancer, because for cancer one of the most common causes is free radical induced damage to the DNA and the nuclei or cell. And vitamin C is an antioxidant. It can neutralize the free radical mediated damage, and thus it can prevent the DNA damage caused by the free radical. and at the same time it can decrease the chance of getting cancers. Vitamin C also have some good effects on the eye, because vitamin C prevents cataract formation, and follicle mediated injury to the lens is one of the most common cause of cataract formation. And by taking antioxidant like vitamin C, the chance of getting eye disease, especially cataract, is decreased. So it protects against cataracts and various eye disease. It may also help in treatment of lead toxicity. So these are some of the conditions where vitamin C has been found to be helpful, but we need more studies to prove that. Vitamin C has also been found to cure pneumonia, and in certain conditions like COVID infection, when this is the emergency situation of the present health scenario that the world is running after a global situation, that is COVID-19. Vitamin C is an important immune booster, and it has been vitamin C injection in severe pneumonia patients infected by COVID-19 has been tried, where vitamin C has been given IV in high dose, and studies are going on whether vitamin C in high dose intravenous can help in or protects the lung from injury caused by the COVID-19 infection. And beside that, vitamin C is very much immune booster, and it will help in boosting our immunity. So at this present health emergency situation where the world is passing a stage of pandemicity caused by COVID-19 or coronavirus 2019, vitamin C can play an important role in our diet. So please add vitamin C in your diet. It can protect you from various immune related disorders, and including virus and bacterial infection, as it can boost our immunity. Thank you very much.